I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. Adding funds to your Payoneer balance can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your Payoneer account. Start by visiting the Payoneer website and logging into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the Add Funds section. Once logged in, look for the Add Funds option in the main menu. This is typically found under the Balance or Funding section. Step 3. Choose your funding method. Select the method you want to use for adding funds. Options may include bank transfer, credit card, or receiving payments from clients. Step 4. Enter the amount. Input the amount you wish to add to your Payoneer balance. Make sure to double-check the minimum and maximum limits for the funding method you selected. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. Review all the details and confirm the transaction. You may receive a confirmation email or a notification once the funds are successfully added. Remember to check your email for any updates on the transaction status. If you encounter any issues, Payoneer's support team is just a message away. Happy funding!